Hello, Reddit enthusiasts. Are you ready to elevate your Reddit experience? Today, I'll show you how to get Reddit Premium in just a few simple steps. Whether you're curious about the perks or ready to upgrade, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Reddit app on your device or visit the Reddit website on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account. To ensure everything works smoothly, check that your app is updated to the latest version. Once logged in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap or click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In the menu, find and select the Reddit Premium option. This will open a new page where you can explore the available plans. Reddit offers two options: a monthly subscription or an annual plan with a discount. Pick the plan that works best for you. Next, proceed to the payment section. Enter your payment details and complete the process. And that's it! You've successfully unlocked Reddit Premium, giving you access to exclusive features like ad-free browsing, custom avatars, and monthly coins. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching and enjoy your premium Reddit experience.